Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your computer before reinstalling Windows. So let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly go over what you should back up. So you should back up your personal files, photos and videos, important software files or projects, browser, bookmarks and saved passwords, as well as game saves. First method is using external drive. This is the easiest and most recommended method. You can connect a USB flash drive or external hard drive to your computer, and you can open File Explorer and go to Documents, Desktop, wherever you want. You're going to copy all important files and paste them into your external drive. Method 2 is using Windows Backup. So you can go to the search and type in Windows Backup. And here you gotta turn on Remember My Apps, Remember My Preferences. This helps restore your setup after reinstalling Windows. Or alternatively, you can also upload to any external drive. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Simply use the method that you really find convenient. So once everything is backed up, you're ready to reinstall Windows safely. After reinstalling, you can simply copy your files back or restore them from the backup. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.